Online shopping could mean good deals, but it could also mean huge losses for Oklahoma. 2 News reporter Brandon Richard joins us with new information tonight.
Well, we're talking tens of millions of dollars that state and city governments could lose, all because online retailers don't necessarily have to collect sales tax, and many don't. Now there's a growing push to level the playing field. Even though Oklahomans spend billions of dollars every year in online purchases, when it's all said and done, the state is still projected to lose $185 to $225 million. How can this be?
Online entities that don't have a physical presence in the state of Oklahoma are not required to collect sales tax.
Michael Phillips, a Sand Springs City Councilman, says it all stems back to a 1992 Supreme Court decision that says mail-order companies with no physical presence in a state can't be forced to collect sales tax unless Congress chooses otherwise. Fast forward to the present, and it means municipalities like his lose along with the state because cities are dependent solely on sales tax.
That's roughly $500,000 a year that Sand Springs is losing out.
And one of the groups in favor of forcing online retailers to collect sales tax are small businesses. They say the way things are right now puts them at a competitive disadvantage.
I think it would level the playing field, obviously, if everybody had to pay sales taxes.
Ashley James, owner of a Brookside clothing boutique, supports legislation to force online retailers to collect taxes.
You know, if local businesses have to pay sales taxes because we have a store as opposed to people who don't, it's not really fair.
Councilman Phillips was part of a group that took concerns like that to Capitol Hill, urging the Oklahoma delegation to support legislation to make it easier for states to collect online sales tax.
Because then it won't be a matter of whether a business has a physical presence in the state or not. The tax will simply be collected, period.
And Senator Inhofe and Congressman Sullivan say they'll have to study the impact the legislation would have on Oklahoma before they lend their support. Brandon Richard, 2 News, works for you.